Thinking about the tiny organisms living inside your body is enough to make anyone's skin crawl. It is an uncomfortable thought that has fueled a massive boom in the health and wellness industry lately. You see the videos everywhere. People are showing off bottles of dark liquids and claiming that a simple herbal cleanse solved every health problem they ever had. One name that keeps popping up in these circles is Holior and their Wormwood supplement. It is easy to get swept up in the hype when you feel bloated or tired all the time. You want an answer that feels natural and direct. This company markets its product as a powerful way to support gut health and get rid of unwanted visitors. They use a blend of wormwood, black walnut, and clove. These are the heavy hitters of the traditional herbal world. When you visit their site, it looks professional and legitimate. This isn't one of those fly-by-night operations that disappears the moment you click buy. They are transparent about what is in the bottle. They explain the intended use. From a business perspective, they appear to be a real company selling a real physical product. That is a low bar to clear. But in the world of online supplements, it matters. However, being a real company is not the same thing as having a miracle cure. We have to separate the legitimacy of the business from the effectiveness of the claims. The science behind over-the-counter parasite cleanses is incredibly thin. While wormwood has been studied for various properties over the years, there is no solid clinical evidence that these retail supplements can perform a full-scale sweep of your internal system. Marketing departments are masters of using suggestive language. They talk about promoting wellness and targeting issues without ever making a specific medical promise that could get them in trouble. It is a clever dance. You also have to consider the risks involved with these potent herbs. Wormwood is not something you should take lightly. It is a strong substance that can cause real side effects if you overdo it. It can interact with other medications or worsen existing health conditions. This is why self-diagnosing based on a social media trend is so dangerous. If you truly believe you have a parasite, a bottle of herbs from the internet shouldn't be your first line of defense. You need a real diagnosis from a medical professional. Relying on a supplement alone is a gamble with your health. Before you hand over your credit card, you should look closely at the refund policies and the full list of ingredients. Do not expect a total transformation overnight. If I were looking at this product, I would approach it with a heavy dose of skepticism. It might be a legitimate brand, but the broad health benefits are often exaggerated. Wellness isn't found in a single bottle. It is a complex puzzle of diet, lifestyle, and professional medical advice. Treat your body with respect. And do not let a clever marketing campaign convince you that there is a shortcut to health that bypasses your doctor's office. The reality is often less exciting than the advertisements suggest. Take a breath and look at the facts before you buy into the next big health trend. Real health takes time and careful attention. It cannot be bought for the price of a single bottle of herbal drops. Keep your expectations grounded and your eyes wide open.